Ha? So what's up guys? So this is a what do you call this? A tree. So we just put some fire in it so that it will be plain, because the car is will pass in this pathway directly. So I just put some fire into the you know, to the tree, to the root of the tree. So we're planning to maybe next month to try to, what do you call this, sleep in this place, because we will because of our plan that we will put some little house in this part of the land.
Sa kural nimo ba?
Kinsa man si?
Ang katong tag-iya ko mo laki.
Tag-iya sa?
Tag-iya niya ta.
Kailan rin pa ba?
Sa ilaban.
So this is the CR. So this part of the fence, though it has already some barbed wire, so we'll also put some, how do you call this thing, rope to be used as a fence. So I think it's almost maybe how many rope that's needed? 50 pieces. Wow, 5 minutes. 1 minute.
Hindi na, kata ng tirador.
Ha?
So, hindi kata ng tirador.